Alright, to get the alternator out, we took off the air cleaner, as you can see. Air cleaner's over there. And then there's 3 bolts up on top here. If we can see down there, there's 1, 2, 3. And that bracket comes out like that. And then there's 2 bolts down here at the bottom, one right there and one over on the other side. We're going to get after next. Oh, and we also took the drive belt off by, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get a little bit extra light down there. We put the breaker bar, there's a slot, there's a square in the tensioner pulley to fit, is it a 1/2 inch or a 3/8 drive?
3/8.
It's a 3/8 drive. And then you just move the tensioner out of the way and it'll loosen up the belt. The connectors, there are 3. One that gets bolted on to that screw right there, and then this one, can you pick that up? This little guy right here, it's got a little clamp on the top there, and then the next one down also has a little clamp, and the little one goes in there and the big one goes in there. It's pretty self-explanatory.